What the fuck is that? Stop fucking playing with me.
It's not fucking.
Yes,
it's not fucking.
Yes, it is.
Bro, that's
so
not.
Why you smelling? Stop playing. Yeah, you gotta be playing.
It's not
why
mine.
you smelling?
It's not mine.
Why you smelling though?
Cause you keep hitting me for no reason.
Pulled up, drop top, backwood, hot box, picking up my dot, trying to hit a hot spot. Extra clips, hot glocks, fuck 12 cops watch. Bitch, we got the.
What's up with the JMO gang, man? And y'all know I'm back with a banger, man. So look, I'm finna do this found open condom prank on my girlfriend. I wonder how she finna react. She finna go crazy, man, I think. I hope she don't flip out and just do anything, y'all. So look, I'm finna go in this store and get these condoms, and I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. Bye. I'm back, y'all, and y'all already know what I got. The Magnum joints. Man, I wonder what her reaction finna be to this video. Comment down below what y'all think her reaction gonna be right now. I think, man, this finna be a banger. Get this video to 125 likes for more bangers, y'all, and stay tuned. I took one of the condoms out the pack, y'all finna open it and hide it somewhere. Cause after this, I'm finna go pick her up, y'all. So shit, I gotta hurry up and do this shit. I gotta, hold on, stretch this mug out. I had to stretch it out, y'all, make it seem like I used it. Y'all see it? Finna hide this mug right up in the middle of the seat. So where she can see it a little bit. Stay tuned, I'm finna go get her, y'all. We'll be right back with this banger. For more bangers, subscribe right now. Stop what you doing, pause the video, and like this video up, man, cause only bangers finna be coming to y'all. It's hot as fuck out here, y'all. I'm sweating up strong. But shit, stay tuned, I'm finna go get her, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm at her house right now. She's coming outside right now, so y'all, like, I need to get my hair cut. Need to get my hair cut real soon. My shit, oh, bad.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah, time for the vlog.
Period pool.
Period poop.
Hey, y'all.
What you doing?
Nothing. Just got the shower.
I don't see how the fuck you got a shower and still stink.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. What's up, y'all? I'm finna go, well, we finna go to Michael's. If you don't have a Michael's in your city, it's like this little craft store. I'm finna see what to get, cause I think I wanna make some little shirts or something. So let's start something.
You want a juice or something? Got some juice in that.
No, I still got that juice ready. Yeah, it's hot out here.
Hella hot.
My forehead big.
Why she thinks she lighter than me, y'all?
Boy. I know, I'm trying to see what I can see right now. I know, yeah. Stay tuned about. Oh, well, I can't set y'all up because we moving and y'all gonna go off. So, therefore, babe. Oh, yeah, we almost had a car accident. Oh, he cannot drive. That's why you was not passing your test.
I don't believe
You was not passing your test.
Bitch, please.
Oh my goodness. Oh
When I'm
no.
behind the wheels,
Nah.
we always go, okay, y'all.
See, that's why you don't text and drive. You don't look at no phone while you driving. Man, we almost wrecked this mud.
She gone. Where you going? Why you doing that?
Look.
Look, wait, I'm stopping.
Anyway.
Y'all want some of these?
Comment down below your favorite candy. Cause this used to be my favorite candy, but I don't even eat candy for it no more. But them bomb. Period. Yeah, his head hella long.
What's some challenges we should do?
Oh yeah, comment down some challenges we should do, and DM me some pranks. DM me some pranks, y'all. Because period, y'all seen the last one I did on him. If you didn't, go subscribe to It's Pooh TV. Follow me on Instagram at its.pooh__. But yeah, y'all, we ain't doing nothing but drop to this place. I'm gonna turn on the vlog once we get there, so stay tuned. Bye. Alright, y'all, we made it to Michael's.
Yeah, Michael's Crab Shop.
Finna get some little fun stuff to do because I be bored and I be needing stuff to do. So, yeah. Here, I'll take up your vlog because this your channel, goddamn, right?
What's up, y'all? See, I don't want to talk to y'all for some reason. I don't know what reason it is.
Boy,
Why you don't want to
don't
talk to
say
them?
it like that. I ain't say I ain't want to talk to them.
Why y'all want to talk to us, gang, man? She hating on
I'm just
us.
saying, you know.
She hating on us. That's all that is. But what y'all up to today? I ain't up to nothing. I just got off work not too long ago. You know how that go. When you got work, you stink. Who? She stink, y'all. It's hella hot out here. What's the degrees? It's like 400 degrees out here. Boy, if you don't... That's just busting the sweat. What are you finna get out of Michael's? Out of Michael Kors. Here's Michael Kors. How you doing?
Let's see what we can do.
Yeah, we in Michael Kors. We finna see what we finna get. What you thinking about getting? They got drawing. I get a drawing book on that. Draw shit. If y'all know the draw, comment below and say Jay. Comment below and say J-Mo Gang. Ho, she do not draw better than me. If y'all know how to draw, comment down low with the drawing emoji, whatever it might be. That's another video we gonna do. Who the best artist out of me and her. We'll get back to y'all in a second when we find out what she finna get. She ain't even picking up anything. What is you getting?
I'm trying to get my creative thoughts flowing, and I'm finna create something when I get home.
Your little brain ain't finna create shit. Y'all think I should build a little birdhouse or something? Put birds in here or something?
You wanna build my house?
Yeah. What? If y'all think we should do a video building a birdhouse, let us know. Some else. Not just a birdhouse. Building anything. Just let us know. DM us.
I'm gonna bedazzle this jean hat right here.
Hope it turns out great.
I'll make an outfit from him. Just wait on it, y'all. Y'all gonna see.
Stay tuned for that. Whatever she's talking about. But follow me on our Instagram at JAYY_MOO__. Y'all go give me the 3K followers on Instagram. Go do that.
Wait, this would be fire.
Stay tuned, y'all.
Just look at this stuff, y'all. Wait till I do this.
Stay tuned for this. Alright, y'all. So shit, we just got out the store. We finna be going now. Come on, hurry up. Hurry the fuck up.
It's hot.
Hot tamale, hurry us. Yeah, we finna going back to the south where we belong. Girl, if you don't get the fuck in this motherfucking car, I ain't got time to keep fucking playing with you.
Hey, chill out. It's hot.
And nobody got the time to fucking play with you all fucking day, little girl.
Chill out, boy.
You had fun at the store?
Yeah. Stay tuned because I'm gonna create some stuff. Period.
She said period, yeah. She finna create some little
Put
shit.
my seatbelt on.
I don't know what she finna do.
Seatbelts buckle.
I I'm finna buckle my seat. I don't have a picture. I'm finna buckle my seatbelt. Let's take the tie head ass look, girl. What?
Hey, bro, stop playing with me.
I'm playing with you.
What's it?
What's what?
What's that?
What's what?
Shit, Bam, you ready to ride out or what, nigga? Skip and say what? Man, you heard me. What I get say what?
Oh, James.
What?
What you smiling for?
I said what?
What's this?
What's what?
This. Oh, you got a fucking condom in here, bro?
Did you just come on now?
Why you just do that?
This
What?
moment that he knew, he fucked up.
What's going on?
Hey, bro, I did not fucking
What's
have
going
that
on?
condom. What the fuck is you doing?
What's going on?
Why did you smack me?
What's going
It's
on?
not mine.
Hey, turn the camera off for real.
Nah,
What's going
bruh,
on?
Cause nah, that ain't mine.
Yes, he did. Hey,
That's not
you got me
mine,
fucked
bro.
up, bro.
Hey, chill
What
out.
the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Stop fucking playing with me.
It's not fucking mine.
Yes,
It's not fucking
Yes,
mine.
it is.
Bruh, that's
so
not
why you
mine.
smelling? Stop playing. Yeah, you gotta be playing.
It's
So
not
why
mine.
you smelling?
It's not mine.
Why you smelling though?
Cause you keep hitting me for no reason. That's not
Yes,
fucking mine.
Why is it in the car?
Cause you
then?
probably trying
Why
to
is
do
it
a
in
prank
the
on
car?
me. You always trying to do a prank on somebody and play and shit, bro. Probably was Tyrese's or something. Don't fucking put your hands on me.
Tyrese's.
Yeah, it's Tyrese's.
And what is it doing in my car? Stop playing with me. Ain't no motherfucking Tyrese shit.
I don't even. We
You
don't
ain't
even,
going nowhere. Turn this fucking car off.
I didn't even put the
Turn
car in
this car
fucking
off.
park.
I don't give no fuck. Put it in park because you tripping. What is this?
Bruh.
You ain't going nowhere.
We don't even fucking use condoms.
Get that? Get that?
What the
Exactly. So what the fuck is he doing in the car?
Why did the fuck you throw that condom in?
Get that fucking camera out my face, bro.
I smacked
Where is
this
it?
camera.
And it's what?
What the fuck?
How
you-
many condoms came in the thing?
I don't know.
Is that the only one?
I didn't have it.
It don't come one in the pack. So where the other ones at?
I don't fucking
And
know.
it's open, bro. You serious?
Bruh, I don't fucking know. I didn't
You
have
serious?
that condom. We don't even use condoms, so how would I
You
have it?
serious though?
You trying to pull a prank on me?
Are you? No, you pulling the prank on me? Tell me right now.
No,
'Cause
I'm
it-
not pulling a prank on
You
you.
not?
No,
Say
fuck
no
no.
more. I'll walk on. Fuck.
Bye. Get the fuck out. Spanking ass hoe. What the fuck? Hey, y'all, she just turned up. Let me go. Hey! Come back! It's a prank! She just went down. What the fuck? Bruh. Where did she throw that condom? My keys go, man. Where the fuck are my keys? She just need off. It's a prank! Look at her, man. She got cute, bro.
6.5 hours later.
Hey, y'all, she tripping. She just turned up on me. And she took the fucking... I'm finna beat the shit out of her, man. Why did she just slap me in my shit like that? Y'all seen that, man. I got that girl, man. She had me fucked up. I had to get her back from that last video she pranked on me. Y'all know how we come.
Yeah, that's my person here. This bitch got me fucked up.
Hey,
Where
bro,
my
it's a
person?
prank, man. It's a prank, dude.
It's a what? Boy, you got me calling my mama and stuff.
It's a prank. Don't
tripping.
ever throw that shit at me, bro.
Why would you do that?
It's a prank, dude. Why you just
You
turn
got
up
me
like that?
calling mama.
Why you just turn? Go to the box right here, man. It's a prank.
Hey, you tripping.
She didn't walk all the way down. Fucking.
Why would you do that?
Yeah, I got that girl. How you feel,
That's
man?
not. Hey, get that camera out of my face.
Yeah, I got it,
Cause
y'all.
you tripping. You.
Like, subscribe, like we always say.
Man, look.
Stay
Don't like,
tuned.
subscribe, nothing.
Stay tuned.
Period.
Bangers coming, man. Get this video to 125 likes.
No.
And
That
stay
wasn't
tuned
even a
for
good
another
prank.
one.
That wasn't a good
Bye.